So we are going to go through a post from Royce. Royce, you know him, and you don't know him in person, but you know the person on X that always counter and claim that he's Butoso. So he made a post today that I would like to go through, and what he said may interest you. So just like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Tell us what you think about what he said here. I'm going to read it out. He said, I just read a post where Ngozo Rabeze said Igwe Butoso have come to align with her government. As if we have two governments, crazy woman. All she said don't really interest me. What really interests me is how she is driving this car in the brain of those zombies following her. Today, after she finished smoking weed, she will post Igwe Butoso is a criminal online commander. And all her zombies will say, yes, that guy, Royce, is fake. He is a criminal. You know, he's trying to, this is to tell you that he's following the everybody. And he want to counter, people's opinion on his activities on social media. Tomorrow, when the weed might have been exhausted, she will come out to say General Igwe Butoso is to be trusted. Is the man for the game? Same zombies will still say come out and say, yeah, now you are talking mommy. Yeah, now you are talking mommy. Very unstable pieces. I don't know what you mean about that. Very unstable pieces. From your information, Ngozi Rabeze is not fighting for Biafra. She just targeting her agenda and following the templates the Islamic terrorist state handed over to her. The people I pity are those morons following her. We only have one government, and our government was once our government was once called United States of Biafra, was once called, understand that our government, according to him, our government was once called United States of Biafra, but based on the movement of Islamic activities in the USB, that United States of Biafra, PM Simon Ekpa gave an order that everyone must fall back to the bridge, until further notice. The reason PM made that decision is this. PM knows Islam very well. Once you allow Islam to come into your system, that system is destroyed. That system is destroyed already. Mark this word, at the end of this race, Simon Ekpa will change that name. We are not going to have that name, USB. You are correct in the thought, right? We are not going to have that name, USB. But look at it. But from BRGIE, that's Biafra Government in Exile, we shall create a new name. So don't be too happy or excited because USB must be changed. That is the message PM Simon Ekpa delivered to me on the 15th of February at exactly 3:45 a.m. When it happens, you must visit my today's post. Hope you understand Ngozi Rabeze bingo. Hope you understand Ngozi Rabeze bingo. Now, let us highlight a few things here. To be honest with you, the statement and the language that he used here is exactly what Sona Akparawa will use. This combination of Sona Akparawa and some, Chiamaka Ajere, the two statements. Why I say Sona Akparawa is because Sonny is very consistent in dishing out lies, and that's what this guy did here. Ajere, when it comes to bragging, to boast, to claim what he's not. That you see, this account, to be honest with you, is far, 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 far away from anything men on ground. I used to tell us don't that we should just maybe he's this, is that. No. Butoso don't know this person. He don't know. I don't know if Butoso is in the government now or out. Despite the voice note, and I'm still not convinced or clear on that issue. I have gotten some assurance from people that matter in the government, but I'm still somehow not convinced, because how can Butoso allow this kind of account to be functioning using his name? You heard him saying that where he said that CS, after listening to today, he will say that the online commanders are fraud and all that. They are not real. Yes. Then according to him, he said that later she will come out and say Butoso is this. The different, because he not that he don't know, he know that people can differentiate between him and Butoso. You are not Butoso. That's not the fact. You are not. You are not. And anybody thinking that you are, that person needs to think twice. Everything that he's saying here is to prove that he's not. Because when CS said what he's claiming that CS said here, simply because CS he knows she can differentiate the Butoso that everybody know, or everybody hold on a high esteem, than this person. They are not the same thing at all. At all, they are not the same thing. So I want you to tell me what your own take on this. Do you agree or disagree? People can lie to deceive others. People can pretend that they know what they don't know, but everything goes back to the same issue. Trying to make people believe what they are not, trying to claim that you are what you are not, just for you to gain trust and love or like, because as day goes by, they keep on pretending that they know what they don't know. He said here that the name USB will be changed. This is to tell you that when CS said that there was an attempt to stop the declaration of Biafra. This is it. The same group of people that hide under this account, they are the one that CS talked about. Do you still need more proof or any evidence now? The answer is no. The answer is no. And that is why we need to, always come out to debunk these lies. Changing the name of USB, according to him, is to validate the same thing that we already know, which is they don't appreciate the fact that Biafra is being declared. So many of them are fighting the fight simply because they want to make sure they relegate everybody back to square one. The question again, it should be, is it true that PM actually told people to fall back? That is a lie. Never. Because they think that people are very stupid. I believe these are people who don't have any business, with Biafra before. But they choose to do their gragrana simply because they felt, they felt that they have opportunity, that they're in media, they can say, they can do and don't do. This account has caused many confusion in the camp of people, in the camp of Biafrans. Lately we begin to separate Paul from Barnabas because he's not Butoso and he can never be Butoso. This idea of fall back, this post here just made it clear to you to understand the primary purpose, because they keep on giving series of excuses. You cannot use. How can you register USB and in a foreign land, but you register government in exile, BRGIE. You register that in USB in the United States of America. But when you saw that CS have moved on, when you notice that CS is not relying on you guys, it became an issue. They want to do everything to make it look like CS is on her own, that they are not part of it. Truly, they are not part of it, because they don't mean anything for Biafra. The agenda is to deceive people that they are for Biafra, whereas they are not. So, my people, I just want to share this with us that the purpose of falling back is to make sure that that reason why they want to stop the declaration after everything happened. But why did they actually travel to Finland when they don't want to declare Biafra? That's a question that needs to be answered. But I don't know who is going to answer that. Someone should answer that question. If why do they choose to travel to Finland to declare Biafra when they are not in support of the declaration of Biafra? They are not in support to declare Biafra. They hate it, and yet they still stick out their neck to declare Biafra. Do they know something that we don't know? Anyway, my people, like the video and on the comment section, and I will be right back. See you again on the next one. Bye bye for now.